My name is Jenny Jie, and I'm the owner of Sipping Streams Tea Company. I grew up in a restaurant family. My dad is like a retired professional chef, and he came up to Alaska in the beginning of the pipeline when it was being built. My mom and I grew up foraging for different things for actually other tea companies. In the summertime, we go and we pick fireweed, which is everywhere around here. When I started drinking tea, my friends would ask me questions like, oh, why are you drinking tea because you're Chinese? My grandfather did the Chinese tea ceremony for himself every morning. So what does it mean for tea to be Chinese? And the more I learned about tea, the more I started asking myself these questions. So the mission has always been to help people to grow to know who they are and to improve their quality of life through their mind, body, and spirit. And just the simple thing of tea culture, tea product, it enables that type of environment. It was definitely bootstrapped. So I'm like, how do I diversify my company to get enough income? I was substitute teaching. I was not paying myself. I was making sure the staff was paid. And I learned the hard way that if you have no inventory on your shelves, people aren't going to come to buy things. And the people who took my tea classes wanted me to sell the tea or the teaware. So I'm like, okay, you just fill a need. And then people wanted to know, where do I go get this? So we have the food side, we have the retail side. Education side is just like throughout the whole thing. Also the manufacturing side. In order to cut costs, if we just make it ourselves, make the blends, then we're putting our sweat equity into it. And then we're able to have much higher profits that way. When I taught one of the tea classes at the university, the director of the horticulture program said I should use Alaskan ingredients. Well, I know how tea is made in China. I might as well pick local ingredients and kind of process them the same way. And that was like the beginning of winning now 12 international awards for our teas. The core values of the company are to help staff succeed. Every morning they do the 5 steps of greatness, and it's goal setting. They'll have like a self-reflection sheet. These things are just to help them succeed, and they see the success in their metrics improving at work. What's really powerful is when they go, I feel better. I feel more alert. So when you come to work, you feel more clear. With growth is pain. With growth is humility. When we reflect and are honest with ourselves, then that is what transforms us. Success to me is not monetary. Success is when I see that joy from people around me, that they feel like they have a sense of purpose.